Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Finding Happiness in Small Things. We are heading for camping for 2 nights. So the car is full, everything is inside. We are almost heading out. So this is going to be in Pennsylvania, very beautiful national park. So I'm going to show you cinematic scenes on the way and the camping setup and enjoying the camping, the whole thing. You're going to watch me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos with others. I'm going to show you a lot of places around me and around the world.
I lost the focus.
Okay.
I forgot to submit.
We are
your
on the
assignment.
road. Road looks so beautiful, and we have driven almost like 1 hour. 3 more hours are still left, and we are still enjoying the beauty of this place. This is Maryland. We just crossed into Maryland, and we are crossing these this mountain range. It's called, what is called? Blue Ridge Mountains. Yes. So they are beautiful. Look at that outside. And there is not much traffic at this time because we are going in other direction. Most of the people, they go onto the beaches during this time, but we are going to the mountains. So we will cross this mountain range into Pennsylvania. Our camping site is there. Look at that big flag.
I wish my teacher graded assignments before the deadline.
We are in Walk. We stopped here to have a lunch. Let's see what kind of lunch we can get. It's like 4.5-star restaurant we picked. So right now it's lunchtime. So the restaurant is right there, 101. So we are going to park somewhere. This is like downtown. Okay. There's a big truck.
Try the truffle fries. It is very different.
Maybe I could teach you.
You're 16, really?
Okay. Yes, teacher. Yeah, I can teach you how to drive. Okay.
एक मिनट
I can teach you how to drive.
कैंडल का ना थोड़ा सा इसको
That's okay. Lagi na ba?
So we have all the camps ready. We set up all the tents. So you can see 3 sides here, 4 sides there. We have all the cars parked, and we have cooking area ready. So we will have good night here, good evening. So we're going to enjoy our dinner, do some grilling, and enjoy our snacks.
आपने क्या किया? मैं किस तो कर रही हूँ।
Okay, pani puri, ready? Yeah, give me your reaction. Give me your reaction. How it feels? Awesome? Salt? Sour? Now Mohinder is going to try.
Right, चलो आओ. उसके बाद हमने अपने क्लास में
So this is the pani puri that I made at home. That liquid thingy is fresh made from mint, coriander, and a lot of other spices. So it's going to taste very good. So this thing, puri, is from the market, and we are going to mix it. Try it. Okay, I got one. Man, this is awesome. It's spicy, it's tangy, it's sweet. You want more cold? You want to put more ice? Ice? You want more? Katoshe? Come on, try. It's up to you. Then all the flavors will dilute. So if you want to put ice, you can put ice. But this is homemade. This is like a special.
How many?
cast grill.
ये एक बॉक्स की लाई हूँ मैं किसी को बॉक्स चाहिए इसमें डाले ना पानी फिर उसमें डाल के ऐसे
Wow, look at that little boy. Hammock. Enjoy, man. I think this hammock can hold full grown-up person, right? Your dad can also come here. Cool.
बंद किया था
पूरी ऐसे डब्बे से के लेके उसमें से ऊपर से डालिए यहाँ प्लेट में ले
This is veggie grill. All the vegetables are ready to eat. There's the prawn. Picnic. Wow. Nice.
ये हमने ऐसे कुक भेजा हाँ पलटा चला
गरम है थोड़ा ये पिटा हुआ है
घर में
लकड़ी गरम है
बंद कर
Plus paneer, Indian cheese, veggies,
ये पड़ा है फोर्क किधर
oil.
बंद करवा दे
Smells so good.
नहीं पानी है पानी डालो ना मैं पानी डाल रही गीला कर
Come on, you cannot put hot water.
प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर है you qualify